In this video, we take a closer look at the basic terminology of data analysis. Today we cover the terms population, sample, observation, variable, and value. The learning goal of this tutorial is to understand some of the most important terms when it comes to data analytics. After having watched this video, you are able to explain the terms population, sample, observation, variable, and value. First of all, we take a look at the term observation. An observation is the unit we want to analyze. For example, people, chocolate bars, or companies. The term population comprises all possible observations we would like to analyze. For instance, the population of Italy, all YouTube users, all chocolate bars sold within a month. The term sample is a small part of the population. Most of the time it is not possible to analyze the whole population. Therefore it is necessary to use a sample of the population. The next term we focus on is variable. For each observation, we can define several variables we want to take a look at. For example, we can define some variables for a YouTube user, namely, age, gender, nationality, income, time spent using YouTube and so on. Finally, we can add values to each variable. For instance, the nationality of a YouTube user can be British, Italian, Austrian, German and many more. How this can be done exactly, we will focus on in the next tutorial.